So we can see there's more broken here than what. Look at this part. See, this is supposed to be, and it's causing this to, so this is what we're working with. It's a 2005 Ford Crown Victoria police interceptor that is still in police mode. We're doing a front suspension upgrade here. The whole thing. We've got A-arm bushings, inner outer tie rod ends, upper and lower ball joints, sway bar links, sway bar, new calipers, pads, rotors. Basically the whole front suspension works. And then also we're doing a tune-up. Just installed a 300 amp alternator, all 0 gauge wiring, power and ground 0 gauge. Need to clean up that ground, it's been there for a while, kind of rusty. Fuse block holder. And we will check out the trunk in a moment, but if so far you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, join for more content. I'll try to have weekly videos posted. I'm just getting the channel started. So again, if you like what you see, subscribe and join. And I'll give you a quick look of the interior, a little sneak peek. We're almost done there. Had the dash out, was trying to hook up the PlayStation in here, PlayStation 4. But we'll get back to the interior. We're working on the door panels here, plus trying to remodel the shop all in the same one fell swoop. And sorry I don't have the good camera right now, but we'll eventually get to it. And that's it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little video. I'll have a full-length video coming sometime next week, hopefully on Monday. And once we get this all sorted out here, and we get the video production rolling and figured out, then we are steadily able to post some updates. Gonna do some body work, repaint the car. So hopefully this series will take a good look and see. And as you can see here, we have gotta fix the carpeting. Sorry there about the bad camera. Again, it's kind of dark in here right at the moment. We got sound stream. Gotta clean up the wiring. Just hooked it up to test it. And we got kicker for the mids in the front door panels, which we'll get to in a moment. And then also we got two. Camera won't focus. Kind of need to fix the light in here. Two L715s with a extra stupid shadows with an extra battery in there. Don't know how well you can see that. Promise the full-length videos would be a little bit better video quality, but for right now, this is what we're working with. And got those. And if you can't tell by now, I like the Miami Hurricanes. So if you don't, that's fine too. But just showing you the car and what it looks like and where we're starting at. Hopefully get all the engine bay all cleaned up this week. And if you don't think that the 15s are any loud, as you can see, all right in here, all the way across, cracked. Yep. The box is tuned to 55 hertz. Try to get some more inside pictures. Got the door panels apart here. See, you can see what I was trying to do. It still needs a little bit of finish up work there. Gotta sand down the Bondo and repaint. And gotta sand down the Bondo, repaint a little. Hey, that works a little better. Got a different light here. No more shadows. As you can see, worked around the edges. There's gonna be green lights inside there once I get the speakers mounted in behind the door panel. Just test fitting right now. And anybody who owns Crown Victoria knows that the speaker grills and speaker does not come like that. But just a little quick video. Try to get some better video quality. See, everything's gonna be orange and green, and then this right here is gonna be white, like the trim panels that I got for the front right here, which are, I did the spatter paint job myself there. It's white and green, and the white glows in the dark. So anything that's going to be white in here, as far as A-pillars or any nonsense like that, that's all going to be glow in the dark. There's a finished door panel over there. I'll take you around the other side right quick so we can see it. Hey, Sebastian, the Iris. Anyways, come over here. Oh, we got a locked door. Oh no, locked out of my own car. What am I gonna do? Got this door panel done right here. For the most part. Need to clean it up a little. Got a few handprints on it. Gotta finish this trim piece right here. And then probably might put either a 6.5 or 2 back here as well. And gotta work on the rear deck. That'll be coming up in another future video as well. We're gonna do that fiberglass. We're gonna put about like 6 or so 8s back there, or 10 mid bases, 10-inch mid base drivers back there, and then maybe some 6.5s in the doors here. So if you like what you see, and future videos coming soon, subscribe and like the channel. Thanks, and have a good day.